Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So about 2 years ago now, I thrifted this beautiful couch for my husband's man cave. It was almost in pristine, perfect condition. I was completely shocked. It was a style that I was looking for. However, as you can see, it was 80s white and it just did not work for me. So I painted this couch, and one of the most asked questions I get is how the couch has held up. So today I'm here to share that with you. And I just want to show you that after I first stained it, it looked gorgeous. But here we are today. It is still in great shape, but as you can see, there is significant cracking. My husband uses this couch all the time. He lays, lounges, sleeps, the kids hang out. This couch gets a lot of use, so there has been some significant cracking on the sofa seat cushions, but as you can see, the back is still in great condition, and it's really the middle there where he sits the most. So hey, but again, this has lasted 2 years. So what I'm going to do today is freshen it up and restain it. And then I'll talk to you guys at the end and give you some additional thoughts. All right, y'all. So I have painted it, and as you can see, it looks great once again. So I only did like a coat and a half, and it already looks absolutely great, and it is almost dry already. I just want to show you guys closer up like I did the first time so you can see. So you see there's still some streaking there. That's just where it's drying up, but the cracking is pretty much gone. Y'all, this product is great. And then the lines that you see, they're actually just coming from the light fixture above my head that is shining down on the couch. Yeah, so I didn't want y'all to think that was like streaks on the couch. That's just the light. But yeah, looks great again. All right, so I just want to come on really quick and give you guys my 2 cents about the product. So first of all, I love it, and I'm gonna give you my reasons why I love it. I love it because it is easy, it is simple. You literally just wipe it on and let it dry. That is it. I will say when it comes to applying, I found the easiest way is just to pour it on and then wipe it out evenly, especially when you're dealing with a large surface. I understand you can't do that over the whole couch because when you have the front, you can't just pour it on and let it drip onto the ground. But the cushions, the flat cushioned area where you can, it is much easier just to pour it on and wipe it smooth. So I love that for ease of use. I love this because after you put on a coat, I would maybe give it like an hour or so and this stuff is dry. It is dry. The first time that we painted the couch, I put on 4 coats and we sat on that couch the same day and there was no transfer to our clothes whatsoever. So I love it for that reason too. Ease of use, no transfer to our clothes, and then the stain just looks gorgeous. I love this color. Now one thing I will say, you see how the cracking was. The cracking was pretty significant. However, we went from a white couch to a darker couch. Now, because the background of my couch is white, I think the cracking was more noticeable. If you were to have a darker color couch and then did a darker color stain on top, it probably wouldn't be as noticeable as mine because my couch was completely white and had a white background. But all in all, I still love it. The first time we did this couch, I think it's been 2 years now, something like that. And that's how it looked. My husband sits on it all the time. The kids are in the room, company's in the room, everybody's sitting on the couch. But we love it. I love how it turned out, and I would highly recommend this. And then if you're going from a couch that, like if it's already brown and you're just restaining it brown to freshen it up, oh my God, like I think it will look gorgeous. But this comes in many different colors. So it is called Rub and Restore. I'll put their link below. This is not sponsored at all. I just happened to come across this product. I found it, I loved it, and I've been rocking with it ever since. And the other reason I love it is this bottle is the only bottle that I've ever purchased. This is just one bottle. It is 16 ounces. I told you the first time that we did the couch, I put on 4 coats. And even after I did the 4 coats, it was still half of this bottle left. And then today I just did like 1.5, almost 2 coats just to go back over it. And still, I got another use out of this, and this was just 16 ounces, so I absolutely love it for that. So highly recommend, you guys. That is my update. I know you guys have been asking for the longest how the couch has been holding up. You saw how it has held up. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would still recommend, even with the cracking. But those are my tips, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.